What's going on, traders and future traders? I'm in one of my eval accounts for Top Step X, and I literally just woke up, grabbed my iPad, seen that we had this nice drop right here, and then we came up and created this swing high. So I'm gonna sell off of the high using my elevator down strategy, going down. So I'm gonna sell off of this high right here, the box that I have drawn around the top wick. I would normally place my entry at the bottom of the box, but I'm gonna go a little bit below because, like I said, I sit up a little late, so we're going for a 1-to-1 ratio. I'm going for 10 points, and we're gonna risk 10 points on the NQ is $20 a point, so that's $200 that we're going for. So we're risking 10 to get 10. Notice that the previous candle did not close higher than our initial high that we were selling off of. That just gives me more confidence within the trade. And you notice after that swing high, the next candlestick did not break that high. It closed beneath it. It didn't go above the top of it. So that's why I entered in below the box to continue going down. We're in a strong downtrend right now. Got a little pullback. Nothing to be worried about though. We're gonna come down and we're gonna sweep this low. Take this low out right here. Keep on going down. So it's just a game of patience at this point. Got our target set. Everything is in play. So we just sit back and let the market do what it do.
Order filled.
Boom, there you go, 10 points. As you see, it dropped even further, but our goal was 10 points. So get in, get out. Did my rounds, now I'm shutting it down. 10-15 king out.